Okay, everybody, I am now here at the Greater Chicago 55 Truck Plaza. They got about 300 parking spots back there toward the back. I'll catch y'all up on everything that's going on here. So far, so good. I am really enjoying this trucking thing. So just as soon as, I'll give you a quick peek over this way. Show what it looked like. And there's rows and rows and rows of trucks back there. Here I am. Okay, I know y'all's probably saying, where is Mike? Where he's been? What's going on? Y'all, I went from Temple, Texas, McAllen, Texas, near the Mexican border, all the way up to Denver, Colorado. Left Denver, Colorado, and now I am headed to Lansing, Illinois, or Missouri. Lansing. Anyway, give you an idea. Last week I did my personal best. I drove over 2,600 miles. Corey, coming to get you, boy. Coming to get you. All right. So let's go inside. This is the restaurant right here. Give a quick tour of the restaurant real quick. It's a nice place. I don't know what it's like in the summertime. Hello. And here we are, y'all. I'm gonna dig into some of this food a little bit later. Very nice ladies right there. Say hello. Hi. Let's take a look around. I'm gonna give y'all a rating on the food after I get it. It'll be a little bit later. Look at that. This is a trucker's paradise, you hear me? Trucker's paradise. Look at all of this. I think I'm gonna have some breakfast when I do order my food. Look at this, look at this. Look at this, y'all. Can you imagine having this right here to yourself? You and your family or your friends? Just enjoying yourself. Look at that. Oh, man. Look at that. I had a 5-hour drive to get here. And I'm only down the street from my drop. So, this is the restaurant. Now we're gonna go take a look at the store. Look at that. Bling bling for the women's. Y'all, you don't have to be a truck driver to come here. Come here and enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. They got knickknacks. They got more stuff than any store I've seen in a while. All right, let's do a quick tour this way. Let's go up to the driver's lounge first. Y'all, this is what it looks like when I'm coming down through the mountains. I'm driving and I'm like, oh my gosh. Y'all, there's money in this trucking business. Big time money. Alright, this is the driver's lounge. Come in here and chill out. Watch a little TV. Go down there and get your shower on. Get your laundry on. See, this is what I like about truck driving. I get to see all this stuff and get paid, y'all. So if you know anybody sitting on their butts not doing anything, tell them to consider driving a truck. Might be worth their while. All right. So let's go back downtown. Go back downstairs. Like I said, I'm driving. That's way down there, looking in the canyon. All right. So I'm gonna make my way down here. So like if I fail, would y'all laugh at me? Or would you send the ambulance for me? Because I'm too big for y'all to pick up. All right. See what else we got here. We got the trucker stuff. And there. They always have tons of snacks, y'all. Always have tons of snacks. And when the truck driver tells y'all he ain't got no money, this is where the money's going. All this stuff in here is super expensive. But we love it. And look at here now. Look at here. You got all the stuff you need. Look at that, look at that. Look at that. It's almost like being in a mall, a mini mall. Look at that. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. All right. Some more trucking stuff. I bet y'all seeing good grief. Yeah. And this is for when you got that angry truck driver that can't seem to get in his mind that you were there first. Just whip that bad boy out right there and handle your business. All right, let's go back here. We got some more stuff back here. Man, I'm glad my truck is on so big. I can just see myself filling up everything. Uh-oh, I didn't see these before. Look at that, look at that. I wish I knew how to edit my videos, y'all. I put some music to this thing. I would put some music to it. All right. Look at that. Well, I wonder if I had Miss Jones right now, if she would just Be spending up all my money. I saw one of these remote control, y'all. You can actually detach this from that and then drive this to back up and pick this up and take off with it. I want one. I want one bad. This is cool, y'all. This is so cool. All right. Well, I'm gonna go and order some food and then go back to my truck. Uh-oh. I've been everywhere looking for this stuff here. Everywhere. Look at that. Okay, y'all. Well, that's it for this video. I want y'all to remember to take care of yourselves and take care of each other. Love on each other. Give somebody a hug. That might be the only hug they've had all week long. You know, show a little love. Take care of yourselves. I'm gonna be on this road. And always appreciate you. I'm coming for you, Corey.